Mike Hughes here. I'm at DIVEVOLK and I'm with Kay Chung. And you want to tell us a little bit? We had prototypes last year, but we have the new models that have come out this year for taking your iPhone and putting it underwater. And you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yes. This is a brand new product we just launched this year. So give the divers a new experience. We mainly focus on safety and entertainment and communication. It allows you to use all the functions of your smartphone underwater while touch screen and all the original buttons and with the headphone and also the strobe.
Too.
Yes, strobe. You can give light supplement.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
I like it on the cord there, so you can put it any direction you want.
Yes. So for the safety purpose, you can use compass underwater.
Okay.
And you can call or text and send position above the water. When you go up to the water, you cannot find the boats, then you can call them. And we have safety alert setting. So check divers, remind divers to check your SPG alarm regularly, maybe every 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, this is for safety part. And
otherwise they'll be staring at their phone and forget all about it.
Yes.
Cool. That's good. That's smart.
Because safety is the most important part.
Okay.
And with this hardware, I believe a lot of apps will come out, like face identification, color restore. Very easy. You just shoot and instant upload and share with your friends.
Now, which phone is this one for?
We have two models.
Okay.
This one is for iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8.
Okay.
And we have a lot of models for all the other iPhone models.
Now, how deep can you take that down?
We can go down up to 15 meters.
50 meters, and another half a meter for the strobe. No, I'm kidding.
Same.
But if you pull it out,
everything can go up to 50 meters. You can listen to music.
That's deep.
So for technical divers, they can listen to music during decom.
Okay.
Yeah.
At 50 meters, what do you listen to? Deep Purple? No, I'm kidding.
You can get safety alert. Yeah, you can say, oh, please check your SPG and remind me.
Hey, you weren't supposed to be down here that deep anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
that's cool.
You can use your original app to take photos, all kinds of photos, videos. Yeah, you can get all these, and it's very compatible because you can change all the filters here. And also you can use your own lens.
Different light filter.
Different lens.
Yes.
Because we have adapter.
Oh, and here you see the different lenses here, from a little bit bigger, to super. Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay.
You can even use this.
Wow.
And during diving, because iPhone battery is limited, so during diving interval, you can charge your iPhone.
Oh, that's sweet.
Wireless.
Just right there. You don't have to take it out.
Yeah. So there is no moisture coming. The quality of your picture will be guaranteed.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That sounds great. And if they want more information, it's divevolk.com.
Yes.
And there's a couple of other sites like Indiegogo that has more information on it. You probably see it on YouTube on other sites as well. But this will be the best YouTube site to visit.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.